Oh! Lalong lumalamig!
Ooh.
What is up mga mahihilig sa mga? This is your boy Armin and welcome back again dito sa Amoy Piranha! So, sa itong episode na to, we're going to dive into artisanal perfumery sa Indonesia, and this is not a dupe, this is their original creation. And imagine mo yon, this is one of the perfumes nasa top 10 finalists in the Asian Perfumery Awards of the year 2025, which kasama din yung mga ibang brands, artisanal brands natin dito sa Pilipinas, like si Tadhana, like si Ren Atelier, like si Isven, and kasama din to dun sa top 10. And nag-recommend ang isang follower ko, si Mr. Soren Jergsen. Shout out sa iyo, brother. Sabi daw niya, Sir Armin, you need to give this scent a try. I love to support mga artisanal brands sa mga iba't ibang bansa. Basta abot kaya ng budget natin, and pag-uusapan natin yan dito sa channel natin. And shout out din pala kay Ma'am Ashley Domingo for giving me the chance source this one sa Indonesia, and less than a week, it was already here sa bahay ko. So maraming salamat, Ma'am Ashley. Highly recommended ko si Ma'am Ashley Domingo. Kung may mga papasabay kayo sa Indonesia, just to message her na lang. Ito yung account niya. Okay? So, let's give this one unboxing and first impressions. Let's get it on, guys. I'm so excited. Sabi daw ni Sir Soren Jergsen, ito daw yung pabango na most complimented niya pagdating sa artisanal perfumery. So, sabi ko, sige, I'll give it a shot. Tingnan natin kung talagang mapapawaw ba ako dito sa perfume na to, or sakto lang siya. Kasi pagdating sa artisanal perfumery, I have a very, minsan low expectations, minsan high expectations. And ito yung brand niya. This is the box. Oh, wala, nasira ko na yung box. Nasira ko na yung box. So anyway, oh, nahulog. Is Bentala Sacred Summit Mount Agung. This is, by the way, 50 ml and it's a EDP concentration. Let's try. Magnetic? Oh, magnetic. Magnetic. Okay. Oh, may pa-paper pa dito. Tapos, wow. I like. Very secured. Sobrang thick ng cushion niya sa loob. Let's give this one a test drive. Bentala logo, be nice wooden cap, hindi siya plastic. Let's give it a try. Pressurized atomizer. Okay? Oh. Oh my God. Ang linis. Linis! Very creamy. Sobrang soft, creamy aldehydes. It's soft. It's quite very fluffy. May pagka parang powdery aspects feel to it. Quite mineralic. Okay. Quite interesting. Yeah. So far, it's a good scent. May pagka-almondy din akong naaamoy. Powdery almond. Oh, starting, nag-i-start na siya from top notes going to the middle notes. Dito na ako na lalong naiinteresado. Oh, lalong lumalamig yung pabango. Ah, my God. I will save my words for the full review nitong pabango na to. Stay tuned for that. Till next time, Fragrance Family, comment down below, have you tried itong brand na to from the brand of Bentala? This is Sacred Summit Mount Agung. Till next time, Fragrance Family, like, comment, and share. And please let me know in the comment section. Till next time, love you all.